I got paid. I got paid. I got paid. Hi Diva, my name is Kwa. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi, aka Petite Diva. I'm a Nigerian pharmacist, and this channel is all about hair care, skincare, and a little bit of randomness. Today's video is a little bit of randomness, in the sense that I'm not going to be talking about hair care or skincare, but I'm going to be talking about money and Google and YouTube. So finally, after months and months of hard work, I have finally started getting paid for doing what I love, and it's a real good feeling, if I just say so myself. I was made a YouTube partner, or I was included in the YouTube partnership program on the 30th of October, and I finally got my first paycheck in December. So I'll explain a bit about why I'm just getting my first paycheck in December, for those of you who are smaller YouTubers and don't understand the YouTube payment and Google AdSense programs. So but if you want to know more about my first paycheck, hey, whether I was paid in dollar or naira, how I was able to get my money, and the whole shebang, please keep on watching. If you've not yet subscribed, please click on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you're notified anytime I upload any video. So let's get into this money video. Any which way, like I said earlier, I was accepted into the YPP of Google or YouTube or whatever on the 30th of October, after satisfying their criteria. And their two criteria is, or criterion, whatever it's called, is to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. It means that your videos have to be viewed up to 4,000 watch hours, and that's about 240,000 minutes. Yes, it's a lot, but we did it. So after doing that, you apply to be included in the YPP, but you need to also have your Google AdSense. So you have to open a Google AdSense account. Fortunately for me, I've had a Google AdSense for more than maybe 6 years, because I have a blog and I was already earning money. It was just that it was not up to a certain amount, but I had that already. So how do I get paid in the how do you get paid in the YPP or through the YPP program? The YPP, not YPP program, the YPP, which is the YouTube partnership program. I'm just going to say YPP. Anytime you watch a video for someone that is a partner, you probably will see one ad or more than one ad, depending on how long the video is. So anytime you guys watch it at least 30 seconds, the partner gets a certain percentage of the ad revenue that the person advertising had already given Google or YouTube, because they're both owned by the same person or same organization. So from those ads, we get the partners get a certain percentage and get money. So that's basically how you get ads from Google AdSense. I know there are other ways to monetize your YouTube channel, but right now I'm just getting paid through ads. I'm trying to build my brand to a certain level, then I'll be able to monetize my channel in other ways, whatever the English is. So when you open an account with Google AdSense, and then begin to earn money, if you're already in the YPP, if you're already a partner, at a certain threshold you get sent a PIN to verify your address. For me, I don't know how they're doing it now, but I was sent a pin as far back as 2012, so 12 to verify my address. So collecting my money now was easier than if you're just a first-time user of Google AdSense, because I was reading about the pin. When the pin is sent, it takes about 30 days to get to you. Then a whole lot of things. But I was sent it in 2012, so it was easy peasy for me. I think it was $10 that was the threshold before you sent a pin. I can't remember anymore. And then after, you are now told to link your account. I have a US domiciliary account, and that's what I linked. But I was watching a video of someone that lived in Nigeria, and she said you can link your Nigerian bank account and then you will send your money straight to it. I don't know. I use a US domiciliary account that is in a Nigerian bank. So for the payment, YouTube doesn't pay. YouTube doesn't pay you your earnings for that month. For this, I don't know. They have a term for it. YouTube, whatever. Anyway, if you earn any money this month, you get the money at the end of next month. If you understand what my drift is. So whatever you earn, like I said, I started earning, or rather I was made a partner October 30th. So all my money for November, all my earnings for November was paid at the end of December. So I didn't earn anything in November, but or rather I didn't receive any money in November, but I received it at the end of December. So whatever you earned the previous month, on the 10th of the next month, YouTube will send, or rather in your Google AdSense, you will see the amount that you are going to be paid. Because if you have the Y Studio app, you'll be able to see your revenue that you're earning, but that is the estimated earnings. Your estimated earnings and the amount you're being paid might differ, and the word is might. My first month, I had $26. My first paycheck, I had $26 from my blog. But for my YouTube earnings, the amount I saw from my estimated, the amount I saw in my estimated earnings, for my estimated earnings was different from what was paid. I don't know why, but definitely estimated is different from actual. And then on the 10th, you know what you're expecting. This one is not estimated, it's what you're expecting. On the 21st, you receive a mail that your account has been credited with your money, and you should check your bank in the next 5 working days. If you don't see the amount or the money in the next 5 working days, I think you're supposed to contact your bank or something. Well, my first paycheck was around the Christmas period, because it was 21st and blah blah blah, but I finally got it like maybe 28th, 27th, I'm not sure, but it was not that far along. But we definitely know that there's the Christmas holiday, the Boxing Day holiday, blah blah blah, that's what delayed it. So that was when I got my first Google check. How would I call it a Google check? That was when I first got my Google payment, or that was when I first got the first Google payment, whatever is that. So another thing is that you don't get paid unless you reach a minimum threshold. Like I had $26 for more than 4 years in my Google AdSense account, but because it was not up to my threshold amount, which was $100, I was not being paid. So by the time I was able to earn more than $100 from more than 74 from my YouTube channel, I was assured that I was going to get paid, because from the 26 plus 74, 74, that's 100. So eventually I was paid, because I definitely reached or surpassed the minimum threshold. So how much did I get paid for my first ever Google payment? I don't know where I actually had a screenshot of what I was sent, but I don't know where it is. I think it has disappeared on my phone or something. But my first Google payment was 186 something cents. $186 and something cents. I can't remember, but that was my first Google payment, and it is amazing. Months and months and months of hard work, months and months of can I do it, and finally got paid. Even though the amount of money that I've invested in my channel is much more than that 186, but it still feels good knowing that finally something has happened, and it's really a great feeling. Okay, like I was saying about the estimated earnings, the estimated earnings for that month was $178 and something cents, but when it was paid into my Google AdSense account, it was $160, which is why I'm telling you that the estimated earnings and the actual payment might not be the same thing. So that was about $18. That was less of the amount, whatever, but I already had $26 from my blog, so that's what made it 186. However, the second payment, yes, I got paid a second time. That's what you saw earlier. Actual payment was the same thing as the estimated earnings, so that is why I said the word might. It might be the same, it might be less, I don't know. I'm still a newbie in this Google payment arena. Any which way, that is all about my first payment from Google. We hope that I'll be able to grow, and you guys will watch the ad. Please, no skipping of the ad. Seriously guys, please don't skip the ad. At least help your girl out. What else? Oh yeah, I had a particular period of time that I didn't get paid 1 cent. I don't know what was going on. It was like almost 10 days. I had to be talking to the YouTube partner program or whatever they call them, YouTube support, and I was like, what's going on? 10 days, nothing, and my videos were really popping at that time. It's like, anyway, thank God they finally started allowing me to earn money on my videos. So it's a great feeling. And for those of you that are small YouTubers that want to know more about it, I think you can always do your research and find out and know about more about this whole Google thing. Try and do some research. You'll probably find out a lot more things than I gave you or that I spoke about, because I don't know anything. I'm just receiving my check and I'm receiving my money and I'm trying to invest it back into my channel. So a lot of the money that I've received, I've used it to buy more things so that I can make my channel much more better. I can make my content much more better, and you guys would definitely be sticking around to see what I'm doing. I don't just want to take you guys for granted. So that's about all for today's video. I hope I didn't ramble too much, and I hope you gained something. For the smaller YouTubers, be consistent, be intentional. I know that people think YouTube is an easy thing, but if you see me when I'm planning and doing this, it's not that easy. So you need to focus. You need to have a focus. I had a focus. I want to get 1,000, and I want to get 1,000 subscribers. I want to get 4,000 hours. I did the daily upload. If you've not watched that video of how I gained 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, please check it out. I gave a lot of tips, and I hope it will help you out. Anyway, I'm going to do another video where I'll talk about the 7 mistakes I made when, or is it 7 or 5? Whatever, the mistakes I made while trying to build my channel, and hopefully you be able to gain something from that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell notification icon so that you're notified anytime I upload any video. So thank you all for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.